This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
As you know, mobile app ads don't monetize particularly well. And so there's a strategy to actually boost that. And this is by using mobile app ad mediation. What that does is it takes, instead of maybe you have like one network which delivers your ads, and that network can be fine, but like it doesn't have ads to give to every user. Maybe not in every country, not in every demographic. So some ads go unfilled. You don't know that because you see ads when you open the app, but many of your users don't. And for that reason, a lot of your ads don't monetize, right? The inventory isn't sold. So mobile app ad mediation, what that does is it takes, one company takes about 20 or more networks, ad networks, and kind of makes requests and gets the highest bidding ad and puts that on your app. So you make more money from each ad impression. Perfect. And the companies, I got two articles here for you which explain all the players in the mobile app ad mediation space. And I'll have the links here in the resources, so you can just link, you can click the resources section and you can go to these links. There's two of them. There's this one gives you a whole big breakdown of them, and this link examines the top 6 ones and gives you some pros and cons so you can choose which one is right for you. So try this, and this will just result in you making more money from the ads that you show to your users.